Myself Gaurav Kumar Pradhan standing before you to give a small talk on about the chapter motion in concept clear. Today I will be explaining you the whole chapter in just 10 simple points. So let's start the first point, which is what is motion. Motion is a change of location or a position of an object with respect to time. Know about the uniform and non-uniform motion. And uniform motion is the path in which a car, for example, a car travels in a straight line for an equal intervals of time. For example, we can see here it is a straight path and it is a car which is traveling in 20 km per hour speed in a straight way. So this is called uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, we can see that if a body travels in unequal intervals of time in unequal distance, so that is called as non-uniform motion. For example, a spinning wheel. So the velocity of an object is the rate of change of its path in a respecting frame of reference. So this is the fourth point, and let's move on to the fifth point, which is straight road with a constant speed. It's called uniform velocity. As you can see the back diagram, it is also here is the person, here is the market, in which in this formula you can know about the uniform velocity. So here's a formula in which how you can take out the acceleration formula, like acceleration equals to change in velocity by time taken. So what is change in velocity? Change in velocity is initial velocity minus final velocity equals to change velocity. So last 2 points are there. So retardation and average velocity. Retardation means negative acceleration. If the velocity of a body may increase or decrease. So an important point, which is that the speed and the velocity are never equal. So why, I will tell now. The magnitude of speed and velocity at a moving body is equal only if the body moves in a single straight line. And this is the important point. So let's move on to the next point. Acceleration of a body is defined as the rate of change of velocity with time. If anyone have any doubts on this lesson, so you can ask questions now.
What is the rate of change of velocity?
Acceleration.
What is the SI unit of acceleration?
It can be defined as a two ways, that unit of measure can be meter per second, or it can be said also that meter per second square.
Give an example of a uniformly accelerated motion.
Motion of a free falling body.
Give an example of non-uniform acceleration.
A car moving under a traffic controls in a city.
On which axes are time and distance generally taken in a distance time graph.
On the x and y axis respectively.
What type of distance time graph you will get for uniform speed?
It will be a straight line passing through the origin.
What does the area under the velocity time graph give?
It gives the magnitude of displacement of the object.
To specify the speed of an object, we require only
Magnitudes.
If velocity of an object decreases with time, then it is called
Retardation or deceleration.
a car retards uniformly at the rate of 5 meter per second square and stops in 10 seconds. The initial velocity of axis is car is
50 meter per second.
A body performs uniform circular motion, then
Its velocity and speed is constant.
the motion of blades of an electric fan around the axis is an example of
Uniform circular motion.
velocity time graph for a moving object is found to be curved line, then its acceleration is
Variable.
a body moving with an initial velocity at 5 meter per second, acceleration at 2 meter per second square. Its velocity after 10 seconds is
25 meter per second.
Can a body have constant speed but variable velocity?
Yes. For example, a body in a uniform circular motion has a constant speed, but due to the change in direction of motion, its velocity changes at every point.
When is the acceleration taken as negative?
When a body in motion slows down, its acceleration is negative. For example, when final velocity is less than initial velocity.
What is essential to describe the position of an object?
We need to specify a reference point called the origin.